What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph K. So for today's video guys, let's talk about cash card or what is cash card. Ano nga ba yung purpose ng cash card guys? Ano yung ibig sabihin nito? Para saan ito? Ano yung pwede yung paggagamitan nito? At the same time, ano yung functions niya? Kasi nga 'di ba cash card, so may mga bangko na nag-o-offer ng cash card. Like for example, BDO, China Bank, Land Bank, yan, mga example yan ng bangko na nag-o-offer or meron silang cash card na ino-offer. I-share ko sa inyo guys kung para saan ito at the same time ano yung kaibahan niya sa credit cards at the same time sa debit cards. Ano yung mga limitations niya? Nais kong i-share sa inyo para at least maging aware kayo. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys here, a cash card is a prepaid or reloadable electronic payment card used to store funds for purchases and ATM withdrawals. Typically not directly linked to a traditional checking account, they offer a secure, convenient alternative to cash for budgeting or for individuals without bank accounts, allowing usage at ATMs and point of sale or POS. So ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin nito guys? Isa-isahin natin. Yung cash card guys, nakalagay, a cash card is a prepaid or reloadable electronic payment card used to store funds for purchases and ATM withdrawals. So, like debit cards, pwede po kayo makapag-withdraw ng pera gamit yung cash card ninyo. But ito ay reloadable. Ibig sabihin, yung cash card number, yun na mismo yung magiging account number niya. Ngayon, hindi po siya nakalink sa isang savings account or checking account. Reloadable lang siya para siyang prepaid card na kung saan pag naubos na o hindi nyo na magagamit. Of course, kasi wala na siyang laman. Pwede rin kayo makapag-withdraw ng pera gamit yung ATM na yan, kasi ATM din ito guys, but cash card. Kasi may tatlong klaseng ATM. Ito si cash card, si debit card, at saka si credit card. Ngayon, i-share ko rin sa inyo kung ano yung kaibahan nito sa debit card and credit card. Itong cash card guys is hindi siya directly nakalink sa isang savings account as you can see. They offer a secure, convenient alternative to cash for budgeting for individuals without bank accounts. So as you can see, secure naman siya. It offers convenient alternative to cash than budgeting for individuals without bank accounts. So yung target niya is yung mga someone na wala siyang bank accounts tapos parang gusto mo lang siya bigyan ng pera, alam mo yun, pang allowance, ganyan. Pwede niyo pong applyan yung ibang tao ng cash card kapag, halimbawa, estudyante. So gusto mo lagyan siya ng pera. So pwede mong applyan sa bangko ng cash card para at least may access siya sa funds tapos ikaw na mismo yung ma-control kung kailan mo siya lalagyan or hindi. Allowing usage at ATMs at point of sale. So pwede nyo rin gamitin ito, makapag-withdraw ng pera sa ATMs at the same time, gamitin pambili sa grocery stores. Key features of cash cards. So ito yung more details about cash cards guys. Reloadable. Many cash cards allow funds to be reloaded, often via bank transfer or over the counter. So kung paano siya lagyan ng pera, via bank transfer kung ito ay nakalink. Kasi pwede po kayo, like for example sa BDO, may cash card kayo. Pwede nyo po siyang i-link kahit hindi po sa inyo yung cash card na yon. What I mean is, halimbawa si mama mo may cash card ni BDO, tapos ikaw may savings account ni BDO. Using BDO online, pwede nyo pong i-link yung cash card ng mama mo para anytime pwede nyo yung lagyan ng pera. Ganon din si Land Bank. Ganon po yung functions niya. No maintaining balance. Ito yung maganda. Unlike regular savings account, these often do not require a minimum balance. So, tulad kasi sa savings account, guys, is kailangan nyo ng maintaining balance para hindi siya mag-close, ganyan. Itong si cash card is hindi po kailangan ng ganun. Anytime it can be used without worrying about the maintaining balance. Then, ito yung usage limitations. So, let's talk about the limitations of usage of cash card. While they don't work like debit cards, some may have limitations on certain types of transactions. Like for example guys, kung may laman yung cash card ninyo, hindi nyo siya pwedeng i-transfer into other account. Ang kailangan nyo gawin is i-withdraw nyo talaga or pambayad nyo na lang yung cash card na yun. Halimbawa, nalagyan ng pera tapos gusto nyo i-transfer. hindi po pwede yun. Yun naman yung problema sa cash card. But wala siyang maintaining balance. Unlike sa debit cards na may maintaining balance yun, it's because nakalink siya sa savings account. Types. They can be prepaid debit cards, payroll cards, gift cards, or specific bank-issued cash cards. So ito yung kadalasan ginagamit sa mga payroll, di ba? Kung empleyado kayo, ito yung madalas gamit ni company. Cash card siya. Gift cards, pwede din. Then, specific issued cash cards. Common uses. So, yung kadalasang gamit ng cash card, guys, is payroll and allowances. Tulad ng sabi ko kanina. Often used by companies to distribute wages to employees who do not have traditional bank accounts. So, tulad ng sabi ko, halimbawa, estudyante or di kaya empleyado, pwede mong gawin to as payroll kung saan doon ipapasok yung pera na sahod nila, then they can have it immediately. Ganon din naman kung may estudyante ka, gusto mo lang sila bigyan ng allowance, then you can use cash card para ma-access nila yung allowance nila anytime. Budgeting. Individuals use them to restrict spending to preloaded amount. So, budgeting kasi guys, pwede nyo kasing iset yung limit lang na kung saan kung magkano lang yung pwede magastos para hindi nag-overspend yung estudyante ninyo, ganyan, o kung sino man yung taong gusto nyong makagamit ng cash card na yon. Pwede nyong malimitahan kung magkano lang yung pwede nila magamit. Online physical purchases accepted at most retailers and online shopping where card payments are accepted. So, like debit cards and credit cards, pwede rin ito gamitin pambayad sa grocery store or supermarkets. Ngayon, let's talk about difference between debit cards and credit cards sa cash card. So, ano nga ba yung kaibahan nito sa debit card and credit cards? Cash card versus debit card. Cash cards are usually prepaid, whereas debit cards directly draw from a linked bank account. So, si cash card is prepaid siya, which is, sabi ko kanina, reloadable, while debit card is may savings account na kung saan doon nakalink yung debit card na yun. Na kung saan, pag ginamit mo yung debit card, mababawasan yung savings account nyo. Ito naman si cash card, reloadable lang siya, lagyan mo lang ng pera, then pwede nyo na magamit. Ganun siya. Then, difference between cash card and credit card. Cash card, use your own loaded money, while credit cards allow you to borrow money from a certain limit, creating debt. So, si cash card, guys, is pera mo yan. Kung nilagyan mo, edi pera mo yan. Si credit card naman is from the bank siya, which is, kapag ginamit mo yung credit card na yon, magkakaroon kayo ng utang sa bangko. Ganun yun. So, yun naman, guys. Maganda rin naman yung cash card. It's because napaka-convenient niya lang. But make sure lang, guys, na si cash card is delikado din siya kapag nakuha ng ibang tao. Kasi may PIN yan eh. Ngayon, kung nakuha ng ibang tao tapos alam niya yung PIN ng cash card na yan, pwede niya pong i-withdraw yung laman yan. Kaya naman guys, nais ko lang i-share sa inyo to raise awareness, at least para maging aware kayo, di ba? Na wag niyong kinagkakalat yung PIN ng cash card ninyo. Kasi delikado din yan. Mamaya may nakuha ang ibang tao tapos ginamit niya pambili kasi once alam yung PIN ng cash card na yon, pwede niya ma-access yung laman ng cash card na yon. So I think that's all for now. So sana may na-share ako. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!